don't get me wrong, ne? Yazi ngisihlalele la ebondeni nginalentwana le umphuthuma le yabo makhe. Ibhizithi yakhe ubonile igoli lami la izolo. Ngithi ngilibonile wena son still anikora nga4. Thina sikore 4 hayi libala nyakudlula ngamagoli. Ngithi manje le goli yakho uthi lenzani? Athi nalo Fabio nyalo wakho uthi ubhokoza inet umtshele ukuthi nyeza ngithi uthatha ama chance. uFlavio ubhokoza inet. Wena umntwana ubhokoza inet kayi1 le awenza kahle uFlavio. Atanya kutshela khetha umtshele na uFlavio wakho ukuthi angimsabi ngithi wena sane mphuthumo uzosifaka enkingeni ngisho ngiyibiza inja yami ngithi Flavio, this guy says if you don't score every day he's going to post your video doing on the floor. Ishishhleke njani mithi serious on the floor that one no delete ngithi so you score at tell him small boy me to goal scorer watch season end ngithi uyezwa wena mbuthuma ngegolinyane li1 athi umtshela ngimsabi ngithi uthatha abachaza umbuthuma uFlavio le yabhabuza inethi leya.